Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from Wix Payments for US businesses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Wix Payments for your US business, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Finances tab on the left sidebar. In the Finances section, select the Payments option. You will see an overview of your payment activity. Look for the Wix Payments option, which provides details of your earnings. Click on Manage next to Wix Payments to access your payment settings. Here, you'll find information regarding your current balance and pending payouts. To initiate a withdrawal, select Withdraw Funds. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check that your bank account details are correctly connected. If you haven't connected a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add one. Once your bank details are verified, confirm your withdrawal amount. Review any applicable processing times for your withdrawal request. After confirming, click on the Withdraw button to finalize the process. You'll receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request has been submitted. Your funds will be processed and sent to your bank account, typically within a few business days. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have been deposited successfully. For any issues or questions, refer to Wix support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.